unable to select the name minus language. Okay, go to Solution Explorer. Yeah, right click on the model, add one class, name as DPT. CSR. So now double click on this. Yeah. Now here we can write the queries. Key is purpose. Public int DPT and get set. Int. Otherwise you can do anything. Use shortcut property. PROP tab. Get
Okay.
set.
Yeah.
Yeah. And before of this, we can assign now database generated option. It will stop the auto generator number. Before of this, square bracket. Yeah. So now here we can say database generated option. Use the namespace on the top using system dot component model dot data annotation. Another one is data annotations dot schema.
Schema.
Same namespace, again copy this dot schema. Now here after the key we can add one more thing, square bracket database generated option dot none.
Here?
Before. Yeah, square bracket. After the key. One is the primary key. We don't want any auto generated number. So database generated option dot none.
Dot
None. It's not coming. Option. You just control space. Or data generated option, write it OPTION option. ION dot none. There is a database generated space none, right? Remove that stop.
generated option space none అనుకుంటా.
Options రావట్లేదు. Options. మరి మనకు రాలేదు ఎందుకని? Database option dot none. Okay, now.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది.
Control space bar, maybe starting caps or something, dot none. Control space. Capital N.
Okay.
The database does not be generated, value is equal to 0. Equal to 0. In previous version directly we can keep it as none, it will work. because we don't want any auto-generated number. We want to stop
Okay.
generated number, so we can say database generated option dot none simply.
Okay.
Remove all the part and check it dot what all the things are coming.
What dot?
None. Capital N O N E square bracket. Or else we will do one thing. Generated, after generated, use parenthesis. Parenthesis. Now, yeah, dot none. Yes. Now remove that part. Close parenthesis.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now string department name. Okay. String department name. Get set. So now we are doing a first approach here.
Okay.
The department ID that is not auto-generated number. The other one is the department name. Okay, if you want something like location, all the things, we can add it. Okay.
Okay.
And we want one more like field. If you want one more class, we can add like employee. Keep it this one. Add one more class. Add one more.
Yeah.
In that we can make it employees details. Same as the EPT. Now same thing. In the top we can use component model data annotation. Component models dot data annotation with a schema.
Okay.
And before of this employee ID,
Yeah. I'll add them.
key and that database generated option none both.
Okay. Yeah.
That's key. And yeah, employee number, employee name, salary. Case sensitive, D capital. D database generated. Dot nine. Now employee ID, employee name, salary, third column.
And TPT ID foreign key. Yeah.
The EPT ID foreign key here. parenthesis, double quotation, what ID is given in that class that we can mention here, quotations. Go to that DPT, department,
DPT and
DPT and go. That DPT and go we can give it here.
yeah. Now data context.
Now the property, the whole details will be sent to that one. So we have to take here as public DPT get set to semicolon. Enter after this.
Okay.
Now we can say public DPT.
DB setup. DB setup, right?
No, DPT
DPT.
space DPT. Same get set. Brace open, get set.
So this is for create.
Yeah, the whole class information will be referred.
Okay.
DPT and O property of employee class will reference all the key of the department class.
Okay.
Now we can create a DB context.
Okay.
Right click on the item, model. Right click on the model.
Oh, okay. Directly in model. I thought that we might create a folder. Model class. Employee context or DPT context?
Company DB context. Company DB context. Add. Now we can inherit the attribute as DB context, DB context. After company DB context, DB context. DB content. Yes.
DB context, right?
Now we can write a link. Public DB set. Yeah, DB set. Now DEPT inside angular bracket. Space DEPTS alias name. DEPT. Space DEPTS alias name. Now get set. Yeah. Now enter one more for employee. Public DB set. EMP. Same EMPS. Get set. Now we can write database connectivity where we need to create all these tables and go to web.config file. Yeah, now we can write the connection scheme. Any name we can give, but this is your server name, database name. Server name is that one. Your SQL server name.
Oh, okay, yeah. I gave here wrong name. I have to control X. Control.
This is any name we can give.
Yeah. Here EMP, DEPT, context.
There, whatever database name we need it, we can create.
Yeah.
Username, if we have username, password, database name. No need of any provide.
It's in Windows authentication, so no need.
Okay. Integrated security tool, we kept it there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now once you build the project, okay. Yeah, now go to the controller.
Yeah. Oh, I'm okay. I'll do that.
Now add one controller to here, company controller.
Read, write, or only empty?
Empty. Company controller. Add it. Now here you can use that model.
Yeah.
On the
employee.cs.
Company DB context, object name equal to new company DB context. For that, we need to add a namespace on the top using application name dot models. Now that will come. Now create a view. Already index is there. Now go to index page.
Here DEPT or employee model? Or I should go with the empty template?
Here company meeting. Did you create as the index?
What? I created a employee and DEPT, right? So
Company DB context will come, right? Select empty.
Okay, if I select empty,
Select the model class, company DB context. Model
no,
class. Third one is there, right? Company
yeah,
DB.cs. Move down.
model class.
Move down.
No, I mean DEPT and employee are there. So can I select
The third one. Here
D?
DB and employee, and the third one is company DB context. Are there, right?
Let's go with DEPT and check what it comes.
Okay.
For collection properties of type implement where T is valid entity type.
DEPT NO is not the property must be a valid entity.
Navigation property.
We are given, right? Department number get a set.
But maybe INU, it's saying that it's an it needs an enumerable value. So
Employee
maybe here
foreign key we given, right?
foreign key we give, but
Foreign key keep it before. Yes. The property DPT cannot be configured properly. The property must be a valid entity type. Property should have a non-abstract generator setter. Property must be implemented with the collection. Okay. Okay, click on OK. Go to that employee class.
model class. Okay.
Click on add.
Yeah.
Okay, press escape. Go to that class file, employee class file. Cancel employee class.
Let me delete.
Number. Yeah, that foreign key attribute, can we give it before of this DPT? Cut it there. Is it needed for a table? Move down. After department number. Yeah. Press enter. Let it here. Now remove the tie and enumerable number.
Okay.
That less than. Angular bracket is necessary.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we can add. It is not recognizing the department number. Actually, that company DB context class should exist. Otherwise, once you put F5, it is not because this is DPT, that is employee. Another common class is for company DB context.
I think here also we should give a navigation property here. For this also we should give a public employee emp get. Configured as a navigation property where entire property should have a non-abstract metadata for. Okay. So actually without giving this it should create.
It is only for relationship between both the two tables. In SQL Server, whether it is created or not.
Once the index is created and when we run that one, it will create, right?
Yeah, that's not.
But only one model should come here, I guess. But why two models are coming? I'm not getting that one.
Actually, that the company DB context, if you are selected, then it will be ready to create for both the two, DPT and as well as employee.
Okay. Yeah. Now here, if we run that one, it should create the database.
Create the database, create the table. code first approach DB that was created. Code first MyC MVC DB, that one only, right? Second one you given the
No, 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 not that one. That one I created a. This name is different actually. I
go to
gave it like
that.
link to SQL DB1. I gave the name.
Go to the update.
According. Object reference not set to an instance on object. Okay.
Code
Here
first.
I gave you code first DB1.
Go to
Error here error came.
in the top. We given only one model, right? Employee, something like that. But here go to two, it is pointing. Go to the name model include to the view page.
Here it's employee. Do
Yeah.
I need to include DAPT also?
Yes. Models dot. What are the things are coming? Can you please check it? Models
Yeah.
dot. After dot.
DAPT also coming.
Company DB context. The top one. Company DB. It will
Okay.
refer both the two, right? This is we are searching at the time of adding. If it will be refer both the two, then could not found the directive.
Okay. Let's do like this. We'll give DAPT here instead of. I think.
We'll do manually. Go to that index page. There
Okay. So I'll do again with empty, right? It means without using list we have to do. Right? Then we'll get that one. Add view.
Yeah.
Index empty. Model class.
There it is not coming DBD context. Model class. Company.
Company DB context. No, it's not coming. Only models are coming.
No, that is also in the model, right? Model we have created three classes. Okay,
Okay.
internally it is pointing employee. If employee will take internally it is pointing DPT. If employee will take it is pointing DPT, right? If DPT means there is no employee. Hmm? They will take,
Yeah.
yeah, once you can click on add. Yes. Now here we can say add department, display department, identify, display employee, all the functionalities. And you go to the in this page. Now we can write less than ahref equal to slash company slash add DPT. No, we are not pointing directly here. Just add department, normal text, add department. No, remove that less than tag, add department, address. Hmm. Just add a department. Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, so now we can say less than ahref equal to quotations slash company slash add DPT.
AHRF or at the rate of?
No. A hyperlink type. Generally, we are giving a button add department, update department like that, right? So A is href.
Maybe here we should give action link, not AHRF. Action link.
A space href equal to double.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now here slash company slash add DPT. No space after quotes.
Okay.
Close it. Another one more thing we can write display department. Same copy paste. Then that link to copy paste instead of add DPT, apply a display DPT. Same as add employee, display employee. Display department. Now the same thing we can add for add employee, display employee. Now we can go to the controller, we can write all this. Add department, return view, display department, return view, add employee. Go to the controller class. Enter public action result, add DPT, return view. Now we can right click on add DPT.
Okay. First, I'll add all the functions and then I'll.
Okay. One time we can take a normal, and the one we can take DPT and
Add
first
this
one
one
display for
display
department.
it.
Return view of obj dot depts dot toList. For this display department's purpose, we have to send the list of items, right? So company we created now. So here we are saying obj dot depts dot toList. Display department in the above. Add display, right? Add means we are sending in the
Okay,
display.
one second. Here I'm displayed EMP this.
Now
Okay.
in the display department, obj
Okay.
dot the top you created no for
Mm,
object for DB context class. Go up.
okay. Here
Company key
DB.
you already created, I think, so last time before of index page. Sorry, index method. Go up. Go up.
Yeah.
DB CNTXT. That is the object name. So that we can use here. DB CNTXT dot dpts dot toList. Inside of no, not here. Inside of display dpt parenthesis, we can write that one. OB. No. Inside parenthesis. Return view
Ah,
is no. Inside a return view. Return view.
okay. Yeah. Okay.
We are sending the data
Then
to
you.
uh,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Dot.
dot dpts alias name we have taken no dpt. It is
Yes.
pointing to the department. Dot to list. To list parenthesis. The list of items sent to that page. Parenthesis open close.
Yeah. Okay. So for okay, display for display EMP also we can give the same, right?
For display also same.
EMP DB
dbcn
text
dot
on
mm,
EMPS
yes, dot
dot.
to list.
Yeah. Now I'll create the indexes.
Mm.
I mean, views.
And one is for open empty form, the another one is for take the data. Two things we have to write, right? So
Yes.
public action result add DPT view. Another we can write before of HTTP post. Here at DPT we have written now. This is for
Mm,
empty form displaying purpose. Okay.
okay.
This is coming, it will show the empty form. And after this parenthesis, press
Mm,
enter. No, don't disturb that. After break,
okay.
press enter, brace. No. After closing.
This one?
Now here we can write HTTP post. We are submitting the data. HTTP, no. Square bracket,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
HTTP post. Now that same again copy paste here. Public action results add DPT, return view, all the things. The above whole method. Public action result, add a DPT, brace open, return view, everything.
Okay. Everything I should copy.
No, don't copy HTTP post. Paste it after HTTP post. Now in the bracket we can give DPT space alias reference name. Add DPT parenthesis DPT space D D for department. Now inside we can add that context we create in D, not D means reference of DPT. ID means again only D.
Okay.
Remove the now here that object is there, no? What is it? The CNTXT DBC
Ah,
dot DPT dot add of D. Add of D. So first time that form is displayed, and the second time they are submitting that data. The whole data information will be kept it in the D. Now you can add this D to DB. Okay. So
okay.
after that, DB CNXT the center DB CNXT dot save changes. Before of return view, DB CNTXT dot save changes. Yes, parenthesis semicolon. Now return view of quotations index, double quotation index. So it will save all the changes into the table and it is adding the record. Okay, now the controller action will be overloaded by the HTTP.
Okay.
Okay, now we will check one, then we will go for another one. Okay.
Okay.
And now go return to the view. There we need to write the design, right? This is my department number and name, sending number. So there we can select the DPT, empty template, DPT. Now we can click on add it. So now we can write that design. Already you know, right? At the rate using HTML dot begin form and at the rate HTML dot text box for D angular brackets, D points to department number. At the rate using no space. Using parenthesis open HTML dot begin form. Maybe sometimes if body tag is necessary, keep it the body tag or else ignore it.
What is that? I mean, begin form.
Parenthesis. It is a method, right?
Mm.
After begin form parenthesis. Parenthesis. Open close. Yes. Okay. So now press open. Then press enter. Press open. Now here you can write less than field set. Less than field set. FIELD field set. Style equal to some background color you can assign. Background color colon this is anything. Style is equal to tab. Background color colon this BISQLE. Okay, any color. Whatever width you want, you can assign, or else ignore it. Width colon 40%. Semicolon, width colon 40%. No. Before quotations only. Before quotation, semicolon, width colon 40%. Okay. Now you can write percentage symbol. 40%.
Yeah.
Percentage. After that, inside a legend, less than, add DPT. That H2 add DPT is there, no? That you can add here. Legend.
Okay.
Caption. No. LEGEND. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, close this and that. No, close, open, close.
Okay. Okay. I'll close.
Okay. close it. Now that H2 add DPT you written on the top, right? That we can cut it and paste it here. H2, yeah. Now you can apply here. Yes, remove the H2 tab. No need. So now we can write inside of this field, is it? Yeah, after field set closing. No. After field set closing.
Okay.
Now we can write a dptno at the rate html dot text box for no. Inside of field set after lesson. dptno at the rate html dot text box for at the rate symbol html dot text box for parenthesis open d equal to greater than and lambda expression. No. Parenthesis.
Okay.
Parenthesis open. Yeah. Now here d equal to greater than d dot dpt angle. So this alias name will receive it there. Okay. dpt angle. We have given the column dpt angle or dpt id dpt angle, right? Then just apply break br less than br tag. Now dpt name same copy paste instead of dpt angle we can write a dpt name at the html dot text box for d and lambda expression d dot name same break. dpt name or d name which one is given dpt name only, right? Break. Now we can write submit button input type equal to submit value equal to save or add whatever you want. Type equal to submit. Save value equal to save. Now run it. We'll check for this one next another.
Value equal to
Save or else add dpt anything. Save means insert or add. Demo the save. Yeah. So now will be the
okay. Shall I run? Writing manually is easy, or we can write with that MVC.
Actually writing manual is not easy, but customization is easy because if that ready-made what errors, where the errors, everything somewhat difficult. Okay, so manual
Okay.
means the complete flow. Okay, created model class and created a controller class, and that controller we have taken to here, and what are the fields we are sending, and what are the fields it is receiving. Everything should be clear.
Okay.
The ready-made means we have to remove a couple of columns which we are not required under.
Okay. Yeah.
Enter department number and department name and add the DPT and we can check in DB. First time it will take more time for creating the DB, creating the tables, all the things.
Okay.
After only data is inserting. Maybe it will take 1 minute or 2 minutes, depends on the system.
Okay.
Click on add department.
It's not AH. I think we should keep
You
it.
are not given text, I think. Did you given text? AHRF equal to something
No.
between text. Go to that index. Oh, you given add department before. This text should be in between A open close. Add
Where?
department colon is there now. That one give the here anchor open close in between. Yeah, that is A here. No. After close A, last you
He,
close there in between. Yes. Now save and refresh. Check. Because anchor tag text will appear over the link. No, refresh. No need of stopping.
actually, I closed that one. So,
Okay. Yeah. Now you can click on add department. That will open this. Now you can keep it the breakpoint in the controller class. We'll check. HTTP post that the DPT save changes is there, no? Whether the cursor is coming inside or not. Second one. Yes. Now you can click on a button. Yeah, press F11. Yeah. So now it is executing. Yeah, save changes F11. It is automatically go to next. Additional information is needed while updating DB context empty entities. And the DL was not.
entity framework is not there. Okay. Cleaner executed.
Did you remove any default connection in web.config or you have written new connection?
I mean, yeah, new connection. I removed default connection.
Keep it the
That's
default as it is. Add extra hour connection instead of.
desktop. Okay.
Is not like identifying. Go to web.config file. So you just copy that whole line, connection string and add name to last. No. Copy it. Come down. Below line also. Now copy. Press Control Z, Control C. You make it right. Yeah, Control C, Control Z, completely. Z until it is coming to its default. Default connection. Yes. Now go at the end, press enter. Now we can paste it our connection. Enter. Paste it. Yes. Nice.
Okay. Now shall I build?
Yeah, now we can build it.
But which connection string it will take? Default
That,
one, no?
that's what we'll check, because what is the problem? Whether it is not taking hours or whether it is taking the default one. F11. F11. Is taking our values, right?
Yeah.
F11. System.data. Additional information is needed for entity infrastructure DB update exception. Framework is not handled.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah.
It is pointing. Move the cursor on dbcntxt. Whether it is taking what type of connection. Move the cursor on dbcntxt.
Yeah.
Configuration. Expanded configuration. Configuration. Move the mouse pointer on configuration. Okay, leave it. View details. Click on view details. What is the form? An error is occurring for updating the entries. Okay, expand it. Inner exception. That arrow is there, no? Left side, topmost. Click on this. Yeah, inner exception. Message. Little bit increase this border. See inner exception. Increment changes. Standard entity internal. Expand target site.
If model dot is valid, that should we give, or that is just for something?
Yeah, we are just for it. If any error is there, we can check.
Okay.
Or else Windows authentication, can we give SQL authentication? You
Okay.
have password.
I don't remember that one. I mean, I always open without user ID and password. SCA 123, I guess, but with the same database connection, I have created some applications.
It is working.
With integrated security only, I created.
Okay. Go to there. I think so. It is not recognizing. Move down. Okay. Here you are not given EMP DPT. That is ours is the company DB contest, right?
Yeah.
So it is not recognizing our connection. Same name getting. company DB context
Company DB, correct.
D capital and C capital. Now you will run. Now add the part. Yeah. Now it will work. Go to that F11, F11. Yeah, it was worked. It is not showing any error.
So we should copy all the.
F11. Okay, now it is just, yeah. Now it is worked. It's not, earlier it is stopped at the save changes cursor, right? F5. It is loading the page.
Yeah, I'll click F5.
Yeah. Press F.
I'm pressing here, but it's not working. I don't know.
Yeah. Now we can go and check in the DB whether this department is inserted or not. Refresh. Now it is created. Code first to DB1, second database.
Yes. Yeah.
Tables. Yeah, now department. Right click, open table. So through the code we created DPT, employee, primary key, foreign key, all the relations.
Yeah.
So now right click on DPT, select the top 200 rows, whether it is inserted or not, because we added one record, right? Right click. Select the top 200 rows. 1000 rows.
1000.
Yeah, that is incorrect.
Yeah.
So now we can go there and we can make it display these items to front end. Okay, the same can try for employee. I'll tell you. Okay, now go to display DPT. Understood, right? What we have written? We have written one class DPT, and second we created one class employee, and the third we created that company DB context class, and then we added one controller, company controller class. Okay, company controller class. We created an object for DB context on the top.
Yeah.
After that, we created index page. We added all these 4 links. One is for adding department, display department. Add employee, display employee. Now, add department, we have 2 functions. One is for display empty form purpose. The another one is for post the data to database purpose. Okay. So that's why we have given public action result as DPT. The reference name we are using here. Okay. So the DD tends to alias name is sending no. That reference is receiving here D pointing department number as well as D pointing department name. Now both the two is added here and save the change. So this is the power of entity framework. We are not used any connection, command, stored procedure, nothing. Directly it is pointing the department number, department name here. This D is carrying, this D is receiving in a controller. So that will be sent to database in company
Okay.
class. After that, again we want to show index page for next menus purpose, like display department and all. Okay, that's why
Hmm.
company controller class return view of index in company controller here in the last line, so that it is going to add department and added all the department and it is returned back to index page.
Okay.
So now we can move down and the display department, create one more view and we can create the design for view page,
Hmm.
display department.
Okay.
Right click, add a view for display department.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, and that design part, like first startup we have done for each loop and the table, TRTD and bind
Oh,
that the same.
okay. Yeah.
If you will know, you can do it or else you can do it now.
No, do you want me to I will do it for tomorrow. I mean, if you have any work, you can carry on. I'll do it.
Mhm. Okay. So you will complete the three: add department, sorry, display department, add employee, and display employee.
Okay. Yeah.
So earlier
Okay.
we displayed some records, I think so, right? For each,
Mm.
we have taken one table, TH for headings, TR for rows. I think that
Mm.
this company names we loaded, no? The same
Okay.
for each, at the rate for each loop we can write, and there we can bind the data. For each where D in model and at the rate D dot dptngo and at the rate D dot d. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
I'll